to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I'm really sorry because I'm uploading after ages, but actually I was not keeping well. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to share with you some of my beauty hacks for summers, and if you guys want to know what are they, then please keep watching. So the first hack is the most popular one, and that is using a baby powder in place of a dry shampoo, because baby powder helps in absorbing all the sweat from your scalp and hence make your scalp look sweat free, and also it doesn't make your scalp look greasy. So yeah, all you have to do is just take a bit of it and massage it on your scalp, and your scalp will become sweat free. So this is the best thing to do in summers. If you're running out of primer and you don't have any option, that what you can do is you can use your aloe vera gel as your primer, and it will help in keeping your makeup in place. Now, to be very honest, I have tried this hack a lot of times and it actually works, so just give it a try because it works great as a primer. Now we tend to get sunburns during summers, and for that I have a really interesting remedy for you guys. All you have to do is just take some aloe vera and put it in an ice cube tray and let it freeze. And when it gets freezed, all you have to do is just take the frozen yellow ice cubes and massage it wherever you have sunburns, and it's gonna heal your sunburns completely. Now, blotting papers comes really costly and sometimes we really can't afford them if you want to use it on a daily basis. So what you can do is you can just take some toilet seat covers or toilet papers and cut it into small pieces like this, and you can use these as your blotting sheets, and it will help in absorbing all the sweat from your face. So I think replacing blotting sheets with toilet seat cover is a great hack. To make your perfume to stay for a longer period, all you have to do is just take some Vaseline and apply it on your pulse points and then spray your perfume, and it's gonna make your perfume to stay for a really long time. To prevent your lipstick from bleeding in summers, here's a really interesting trick called the apply blot apply trick. And in this trick, all you have to do is just apply your lipstick and let it stay for 2 minutes, and then blot the excess with a blotting paper, and then apply your lipstick again, and it's gonna help your lipstick to stay really longer, and it's gonna prevent it from bleeding as well. Whenever we blow dry our hair, the back of our neck gets really sweaty and sometimes it gets really annoying, especially during the summertime. So what you can do is you can take your deodorant and spray on the back of your neck, and the deodorant will prevent your neck from sweating at the time of blow drying. Now in summers we always make DIY face packs or face scrubs, but have you ever tried any DIY face cubes? Well, if not, then I'm going to show you how you can make it. Now what you have to do is just take some grated cucumber and some grated tomatoes and mix them together really well, and then put it in an ice cube tray and let it freeze. And when it gets freezed, all you have to do is just take the frozen cubes and massage it on your face really nicely and let it stay for 10 minutes, and then just wash it off and you will get a really nice glowy skin. Whenever you apply your nail paints in summers, you must have noticed tiny bubbles popping out from your nail paint at the time of application. So to prevent that, what you can do is you can store your nail paint in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before the application, and then you won't see any bubbles popping out. Now, at times when you get lazy and you don't feel like doing girly stuff to remove your tan or dirt, so what you can do is you can take a lemon slice and squeeze all its juice and then simply rub it on the areas wherever you have tan or dirt, and it's gonna remove all your tan and dirt because lemon acts as a natural bleach. So yeah, this is a really nice hack. Now in summers we sometimes tend to get bug bites, and to cure your bug bites, what you can do is you can use a toothpaste on your bug bite and it will act as an anti-itch cream. Now we all apply sunscreen because we want to protect our skin from the UV rays, but have you ever thought of your hair as in protecting your hair? Well, if no, so what you can do is you can use your heat protectant spray and spray it on your hair, and it will act as a hair sunscreen and it's gonna protect your hair against the UV rays. So with that, I complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my hacks, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you girls stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.